Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites. Account level 10, tutorial complete, and at least 5 matches. Once done, open daily crates and gather 250 coins and 3 lightning shards. These fuel the unlock. Make sure friend invites are enabled and join a 4-player lobby because the only way requires cooperative spawn triggers. You should also equip any score-boosting trinket to speed shard gain. Begin the next match now. Focus on objectives that award shards rather than once in the mid-game, coordinate roles. You take a support role to hold objective zones while a designated shard carrier runs pickups. This matters because shard drops increase by 20% in objective zones. Securing them multiplies your chance to reach 3 shards quickly. Make sure to rotate carriers every 60 seconds to avoid risk of loss. If you hit a dry spell, trade 100 coins for a temporary shard boost from the shop. That purchase breaks long stall cycles and keeps momentum toward the only way unlock. You finish by depositing the 3 lightning shards at the altar to trigger the lightning noob spawn. Once activated, you must survive a 30-second channel while teammates block interrupts and clear enemies. This timing is critical because any interruption aborts the spawn. Make sure someone watches the altar and someone else watches flanks. If the spawn fails or the game desyncs, relog immediately and redeposit within 2 minutes. That preserves most progress and prevents repeating the full grind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.